Hi, my name is Taylor, and today I'm going to show you how to use TenantCloud's internal communication system called TC Messenger. TC Messenger is a communication tool that allows property managers to send messages and files to connected contacts within TenantCloud. To access TC Messenger, you can select the conversation bubble icon in the upper right corner of your TenantCloud account. The contact list is divided into multiple channels: team, tenants, service pros, owners, and the property board. The team channel is only displayed if there is at least one active sub-admin. It contains dialogues between the property manager and any sub-admin team members on your account. The owners channel is only visible in the property manager mode. If you are in the landlord mode on TenantCloud, you will not see this option. You can edit the mode that you are in by editing your general settings in your TenantCloud account. If you have a lot of contacts, you can search for any contact that you want to message using the search bar. Please note that you can only communicate via TC Messenger with people that you have connected with on TenantCloud. If you are not yet connected, then you will not be able to message them within TC Messenger. When you are ready to send a message, you can select the recipient, type your message, and hit the send button. If you want to upload files, you can do so by clicking on the files icon. In the event that you accidentally send a message to the wrong contact, you can choose the delete option by right-clicking on the message that you intend to delete and then select delete. It will then give you the option to just delete it for yourself or for everyone in the conversation. Confirm your selection, then click delete again. By right-clicking on the message, you can edit your messages, reply to messages, copy message text, forward any message to another contact, or delete your message. It is important to note that the ability to edit or delete messages is limited by time. These two actions can only be available for 1 hour after the message has been sent and are intended to only be used to immediately correct communications that were sent in error. If you would like to retain a physical copy of the conversation in TC Messenger, you can print the conversation with your contact by clicking the print icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Please remember that if you disable the conversation with the contact, you won't be able to send messages to them anymore. However, you will still be able to view the message in history. You'll need to reconnect with the contact if you'd like to send a message and resume the conversation. If you remove the entire conversation at any point, the message history will permanently be deleted in your account and it cannot be undone. If you are unable to find a conversation that you have not deleted, you may find it in your archive folder. If you archive a contact, the conversation will be moved to the archived folder. The message history will be saved and you will be able to view it by clicking the Show Archived Conversation icon in the bottom left corner. You won't be able to message the contact until it's removed from the archive status. To unarchive the conversation, use the appropriate icon in the top right corner of the screen. And that's how easy it is to use TC Messenger within TenantCloud. To start managing your rental properties for free with simplicity and ease, just go to www.tenantcloud.com and sign up today.